Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blossom water. First, you'll want to select the freshest, most fragrant blossoms available, like beautiful roses or sweet orange blossoms. Next, gather your clean equipment, including a large pot, a heat-safe bowl, and a glass jar for storage. Finally, gently rinse your blossoms to ensure they are free from any dirt or small insects before you begin the distillation process. Now, let's set up for distillation. Begin by placing a small, heat-safe bowl in the very center of your large pot. Carefully arrange your prepared blossoms around this central bowl, making sure none fall directly into it. Pour in enough distilled water to just cover the blossoms, usually about 1 inch deep. Finally, invert the pot lid and place it securely on top to prepare for condensation collection. With your setup ready, it's time to heat and collect. Gently bring the water to a simmer over medium-low heat. To maximize condensation, place several ice cubes on top of the inverted lid. As the steam rises, it will condense on the cold lid and drip as pure blossom water into your central bowl. Continue this gentle simmering for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until you have collected a sufficient amount. Once your blossom water has cooled completely, carefully transfer it into a sterilized glass bottle. For optimal freshness, store your homemade blossom water in a cool, dark place, where it can last for up to 6 months. You can use this fragrant water in many ways, from adding a delicate flavor to your culinary creations to using it as a refreshing and natural facial mist. Enjoy your beautiful, homemade blossom water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.